We're Libby and Marcel, and we travel full-time to record sounds for our business, Free2You Sounds, a place where thousands of people download our original recordings. In our previous video, we traveled around Pai, Thailand to capture sounds at the famous Pai Canyon, Yun Lai Viewpoint, and the Koh Koo So Bamboo Bridge. Now we're staying at the Cave Lodge, which is located next to the epic Tham Lod Cave, to record sounds with our SCHOEPS DMS microphone setup of swift birds in mating season and an epic amount of cave-dwelling bats. We even take a bamboo boat without any tourists around. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more of our audio adventures around the world. This video is not sponsored, but it is supported by you purchasing our sound libraries at free2usounds.com. So we are on our way to the cave, and the owner of the cave lodge told us just keep walking past the vegetable field. You think the cave's this way? Or do you think it's this way? We were excited to witness over 300,000 swift birds in mating season return to the cave. Each evening, these birds flock home around the same time as the bats leave for the night. And the rumor is that they do it at 6 o'clock, around 5 to 6. So that's what we're hoping to do, is catch it at this time.
No, they don't make it easy for us. No, that means cave, but could it be that way? Or could it be that way?
Ooh.
Ah, there's another sign.
So we just talked to a guide. And there are two bridges. There's this one here, and then there's this one over here. And I guess the birds and the bats will be around a kilometer away from here. So we were instructed to follow the trail.
5 minutes and 5 o'clock.
Woo.
Time is running out. 5 o'clock. I have everything set up, and over there you can see there's a safety recording with the test cam. Also, this is not some kind of a sponsored video. The bats or the birds have absolutely no idea that we're here and trying to record them. So that's what we hope for. So let's hope they come out and then we have a great sound. And if not, you can also enjoy already these recordings. Now while we're waiting, you see the tarps here behind me with all the poop on it, and this is because the locals come here and using the poop as fertilizer. Super smart. It's almost 6 p.m. Haven't shown up yet. We don't lose hope, but if it gets too dark, then we're leaving, and then we picking this up tomorrow morning, and then we go through the cave. Seems like the birds are coming. Also the bed's getting louder. Just listen. and they keep on coming. But for us it's enough for tonight because it's getting dark and we have to walk home. So what I do now is getting our light on because it's time to walk back. And we see you tomorrow morning when we actually take a boat into the cave. So thank you so much, and we see you in the morning. I don't know why thank you so much, the video's not done yet. See you in the morning. Good morning. Are you ready for that big adventure? I hope you are.
5 minutes.
Oh,
5 minutes, okay?
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Over the next hour and a half, we are guided through the Tham Lod Cave system by this local woman. We are shown incredible limestone formations only nature could create. Since we were the only visitors on this early morning, we had a chance to record sounds without any unwanted chatter.
But look what's in front of us. Unbelievable.
Tham Lod Cave isn't just home to these beautiful formations, but there are also prehistoric wall paintings and ancient burial sites with long teak wooden coffins dating back to the Iron Age. Fortunately, these caverns are connected with stairs, making it easier for us to see a variety of sights and eventually leading us to the river.
Finally made it to the boat, and now we hope we can record sounds on the boat while we go into the cave. And hopefully we don't drop the microphone.
Alright, so we just got done with the tour. It was amazing. Highly recommend it. It was 500 baht for us and we were alone. Because we got here early, we were the first people in and the first people out. We did have a few hiccups along the way. What were they, Marcel? Where are you going?
Well, hiccups, you know, there were some areas where I'd love to have this clean audio, but then we always heard our boat guide in the background, like whistling. Like.
You can't really yell at him like, alright, we're recording here.
What?
We can't really yell at him.
No, of course not. It's all part of the experience, right? Also getting bat poop, bird poop on yourself. Hey, that's cool. I love it.
Yeah.
So this cave is highly recommended. It's just breathtaking. When you walk around and you see these things, it's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
And if you always wanted to know how this cave actually sounds like, guess what? Now you know it.
Now you know it. So we hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And like it if you did like this video. And anything else you want to add, Marcel?
Well, yeah, this helps the channel a lot to grow. And you know, we want to get to 100,000 followers and we want to make $1,000 just on YouTube every month. And if you want to support us on this journey, you're welcome to do so. With that said, we can't wait to see you in our next video, what is definitely about Thailand and how it sounds like. Thank you!
See you!
Now we want to show you also more behind the scenes, and just, you know, this one has just one outlet, this room. So we have to make it work. These are the problems that we have to deal with. You see, another pole works perfect. And also, listen to this. Now also listen to this here.
It's a symphony of frogs.
Frogs, frogs, frogs.